Alright, welcome to part 2 of Legacy Backyard Roller Coaster. I am not recording this the same day as the first one. You are incorrect. I'm just wearing the exact same clothes. It happens to be the same time of day. But that's besides the point. Basically, it took me an entire 5 seconds to decide that now that it's stronger and better than ever, let's make it taller. So now we're going to make it a double down. Yeah, maybe we'll do something else to the end. I mean, obviously I have to make the end taller now because I don't feel like flying off the end. That would not be fun. Hi, video editor Marshall here. Sorry it's kind of been a while, but my family got a certain illness, shall we say. You can figure that out on your own. But alas, here we are, ready to make more awesome roller coaster updates for you. The weather hasn't exactly been fantastic recently either, to be honest. It's been very cold and there's been lots of ice and work hasn't been happening because of it. So now that warm temperatures are back, hopefully, we can start working on that roller coaster again. So yeah, enough of that. Let's get back to the video. We are starting to make the double down. It looks atrocious right now, but just have faith in me, please. Just have faith. You'll see. You'll see. Alright, so the expansion, this is all I got done for today. It's now like 3 feet taller, so it works. It's pretty fun, it's pretty fast. Goes all the way out there. As you can see, I am 6 feet and it's as tall as me now. Oh no! Ah! So yeah, I'll have to finish that sometime soon. Don't know when. But it's pretty cool because it works. Yeah. See you next time I work on it. Hey, we're gonna go to the farm. All right, here we are, the farm. Woo! We're gonna work on the roller coaster. It's getting taller and scarier. We already broke it, so I gotta go fix the part we broke. But we're here, and it's like 45 degrees and windy. It's cold. Now isn't that fun? Whoa. More flags, more fun. 6 Flags over just east of Dallas. Well, we did it. It's 8 feet tall. It's a double down now. It's awesome. Look at this thing. It's so tall. Like, oh my goodness gracious. This is actually awesome. Look how tall it is. That is like 2 feet above me. Wow. This is so cool, y'all. I never even thought the old coaster would work again, let alone be this tall or this big. This is really, really cool. Ignore that Kyle's doing dangerous stuff. Kyle, do you like it?
Oh, no, I'll find out in a second.
You've already ridden it.
Yeah, it's fine. Credit.
Credit.
All right, here I go. I feel like if I went backwards, I'd actually get airtime on that.
That's awesome. Or we broke the #1 rule on YouTube is that we didn't film something.
Yeah.
And he tried riding it backwards and we had a slight problem. He got airtime over the hill, it was awesome. And then he hit this piece and it broke and then it slammed into the wheel and it actually broke the screw entirely.
My butt came off the cart, that's all that matters.
And it did a bit of shredding, but it's pretty awesome. Trevor's here now, Rod and I hop. Forgot to say bye. We broke it again, so we'll have to fix it in the next episode.
That was my bad. He broke it again.
Bye. That's right, you broke it. That was a lot of fun.
Wasn't me.
Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm out here now to fix the cart since we kind of broke it again. What's new, you know? We like to break this a lot. I have no clue if you can hear me right now. It's very windy right now. Something looks a little different here. So I'm here to fix the cart today. Hopefully get it fixed because I want to have some people over tomorrow from work. They've never seen the roller coaster yet, so I'd like to have them over, come check it out. So I'm going to try to fix the cart today. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I fixed it again. And it works now. It works really well. So now I just need to extend the end piece because the end piece is still only made for the original height, so you know, and I may or may have forgotten about that, and I may or may have not ridden it from the top, and I may or may have not slammed into the end piece, but no one got hurt. So I'm gonna come back out tomorrow and make the ending taller with some friends because I really don't think I should do that by myself, just because I have to be moving around really tall pieces, and I don't think that's a smart idea to do it by myself. So we'll see what happens, but the cart's fixed again, and it works really well. So that's it. Bye. Fun.